144,306 people. The names are already written in that registry.
で毎年のように5000人
But
ずつ亡
still,
くなって
every year, about 5,000 names are added.
そしてそれはなぜかと
Every year.
Every
Every
year
year.
still.
というのはですね、原爆を受けて生き残ったけど放射能被害を持ちながら生きている方には被爆者手帳というのを渡しておりまして、
Even though they are exposed to the bombing, but still be able to manage to live on, and they have been recognized by the Japanese government as official bomb survivors.
でその方々が年とともに亡くなるん
But
ですよ。
of course, they are aging,
Yes.
so some people die from
で毎年
old
年を
age
取りながら
or
亡くなる。
other reasons, and people die.
それで年で亡くなる以外にですね、大体がんで多くの
Also,
方亡くなって
many survivors are now losing their lives because of cancer. That is the after effect of
After
radiation, we
radiation.
believe.
そしてそういう方々今受けている方が全国で
So
9万人
in
台になりました。
Japan, the number of these survivors is little over 90,000.
90,000.
という中であります。そしてここで書いてあることはですね、多くの亡くなった方々が
The epitaph's meaning is that
原爆で受けた方々は当然原爆を落とした国とかを憎みますよ
died
ね。
because of the bombing, and so the ones who died and also bereaved families, of course, have hatred toward the country which dropped the bomb.
だけどその憎しみというのを持ち続けると
As long
その後の
as
子孫がまた争いを続けると
their child, their grandchildren will fight. The
Fight
fight
again.
will continue.
でそれを抑えるために
And we do not
もう自分たちを
want
恨
that.
まない恨むんじゃ
So
なくて
survivors came to the mental understanding that they don't want this a continuation of hatred, cycle
そ
of
して自
hatred.
分たちのような人を作らないようにして
They
ね
do not want anybody else
世界
suffer
に
as they have. So that is the very strong message that our survivors have now.
で去年ねそれでノーベル平和賞をもらったんです。
Nobel Peace Prize probably was given for
それ
that
が理由
reason
だと思います
because they overcame their hatred.
でそういう方々が棺の中におられますので、ここに来た方は碑文を見て、あそこに書いてあるんですよ。安らかに Let's all here rest in peace for we standing here we shall not repeat the evil or mistakes. That's
Yes.
why.
We must break the cycle.
Yes. これが広島。This is the will of Hiroshima. Deeply answer. Keeping in mind.